Hello children, Sai Ram. Today in English period we are going to study composition. Children, you remember so far we have covered our four compositions: paragraph writing, dialogue writing, then we have seen the informal letter writing and picture composition. So today we are going to study a new type of composition, that is character sketch. Okay, it's a form of composition. Children, can you see some pictures I have put on the slide? These are the pictures of famous personalities, right? Shivaji Maharaj, Mother Teresa, APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi. There are many people, those who are famous for their work, isn't it? So we are going to begin our lesson by understanding that a character is a person or animal in a story. Then character traits are words used to describe a character. Okay, and they are usually in the form of adjectives. Now let us see what it is. What is a character sketch? Children, character sketch creates a colorful and vivid picture of what someone is like. So whatever personality we have chosen for our character sketch, so describing that means to create a colorful and vivid picture of that, of what someone is like. So usually which topics we select? What are the possible topics for character sketch? The first is someone you know. It can be a person, someone you know. Then a person in history. We can write a character sketch on any person from the history. Then a story character. Okay, when we read or see the story, there are different characters, so we can write the character sketch on any particular character of that story. So it can be a story character or a person in history or someone you know. These are the possible topics while writing the character sketch. Now, writing about a character, whether fictional or real, involves nothing but analyzing a characters. So, children, while writing the character sketch, you have to remember that whether the character is fictional or real. Okay, so you should involve nothing but you have to analyze the characters. What we are going to analyze the characters? First thing is personality. We analyze the personality of that particular character. Then actions. What actions he did? What is the speciality? Then thoughts and feelings. What he thinks, how he feels, and then motives. So these four things we have to remember when we write a character sketch. So writing about a character, whether fictional or real. Now the pictures which I put on the first slide, that was the picture of Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam. These are the real characters. But the fictional characters means the characters which are imaginary, like the Frozen, Elsa, isn't it? Then Doraemon. These are all the fictional characters. So whenever we write something about them, we write the character sketch about them. It involves their personality, how do they look, then actions, thoughts and feelings, and motives. Now, today we are going to write a character sketch. So these things we have to remember in mind. Now, what points we have to remember? Let's see. First thing, personality. Second, physical appearance and name. You have to mention the name of which character you are writing. Then his physical appearance. How does he look? Then actions, as I discussed with you in the previous slide. Then his choices, his likes, dislikes, and how it affected in his entire life. Then speech, thoughts and feelings. So these all things we'll try to include when we write the character sketch of any fictional or real character. Now open your notebooks. As usual, we will fill the index first. This is our fifth composition. So write down number 5 in serial number column. Then title, it's a character sketch. So write there character sketch. And today's date, 3rd July 20. 3/7/20. I'll remind children, those who have not yet started writing the compositions, so you can start writing, seeing the videos which were uploaded in the month of April and May. So far we have covered 4 compositions of our syllabus. Today we are covering 5th. And as you got the notebooks now, so I think this 5th composition you all will write in the notebook itself. Done? Let's move ahead. Now this is the picture of your open notebook. You all know that if any format is given or the question of that composition, we always write on the left hand page of the notebook. So this is our left hand page of the notebook. So we are going to write a question on this page. Come on, copy down the question. What is the question for today's composition? Write a character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, today we are going to write a character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Write a character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Done. The topic is well known to all of us. This is the personality. We all have just grown up listening to the stories of Shivaji Maharaj, watching the movies of him, right? So we know at least some points. We know where was he born, what he did for Maharashtra and for India. So we can compile our thoughts in writing the character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj. Done writing the question, children? Good. Now on the right hand page of your notebook, it will look like this once we finish writing the character sketch. So at the top, write down number 5, Shivaji Maharaj. Now what it is it a paragraph writing or what? That we have already included in the index. It's a character sketch. So no need to write it that again here. So about which personality we are writing, that name we will write here. So 5, Shivaji Maharaj. And as we all know, touching to the margin, we will start writing. Come on, start writing. First, what we have to write about him? We have seen the points, his personality, actions, thoughts or achievements. So all these things we'll try to put in our character sketch. For 4th standard, we will write the character sketch not more than 8 to 10 lines. It will be short. So we'll start like this. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and a true warrior. Yes, come on, start writing with me, children. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and a true warrior. He was the founder of Maratha Empire in India. He was the founder of Maratha Empire in India. He lived for the people and fought against injustice. He lived for his people and fought against injustice. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th Feb 1930 to Mother Jizabai and father Shahaji Raje Bhosle. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 Feb 1930 to Mother Jizabai and father Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He won Torna Fort at the age of 16 and then he won many more forts one by one. And then he won many more forts one by one. Now what he is famous for? Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a hero who brought most of India together against the Mughals. Yes, Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a hero who brought most of India together against the Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj died on 3rd April 1680 at Raigad Fort. Shivaji Maharaj died on 3rd April 1680 at Raigad Fort. If he would have lived few more years, then our nation would have seen more prosperous days. So this is the way we have written the character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj, where we tried to include his childhood, date of birth, about his family background, what achievements he has done, then what is he famous for, and then what he did for our country, then how and where he died. So this is a short character sketch of Shivaji Maharaj we have learned today. This was the example for you. Okay. Let's move ahead and recall what we learned. First we studied that what is a character. We understood that a character sketch informs about the character, and especially when you write a character, you want to reader, whoever will read your character sketch, the reader to have a strong mental image of the person, including how the person talks, acts and thinks. Then what are the steps to be followed to write a character sketch? Personality, achievements. Okay, so that all things we try to put in Shivaji Maharaj's character sketch. And then we have seen the example of character sketch through Shivaji Maharaj. Understood, children? It's easy to write. Only the thing you have to have deep knowledge about that personality. Then only you can write. So whatever topic will be given in the worksheet, so you have to read more books so that you can write about anybody. Okay, let's stop here. Thank you. Sai Ram.